Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Solve the following and write in simplest form of fraction. So we have 3 by 1 whole to the power minus 2 plus 5 by 5 whole to the power minus 2, which is equal to 3 to the power minus 2 plus, since anything divided by 1 is the number itself, so 3 to the power minus 2, and 5 by 5 when simplified is 1, so 1 to the power minus 2. 1 to the power anything is 1, so what we get here is 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1. 1 to the power anything is 1. So 3 to the power minus 2, so this is going to be 1 by 3 square plus 1, and this is because of the law a to the power minus m equal to 1 divided a to the power m. So this will be equal to 1 by 9 plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus 9 by 9, which is equal to 10 by 9. This is the simplest form of fraction for given expression. This is the answer.